Fortunately, it's nice and chilly out in the mornings, pleasant afternoon. So if you're going to do your shopping, maybe get it in early in the day and enjoy some of the weather that we have because it is fall here in Central Ohio, which means two things. It's cold in the morning and very warm into the afternoon. And so far, we are looking at a cool start to the day, sitting at 45 degrees. Dew points are hanging out in the low to mid 40s out there. But we are going to be looking at a pretty nice and warm afternoon for us with a lot of sunshine, but we're not going to be talking about much sunshine as we head into the midweek. We got some big changes coming our way, this time actually featuring some rain, and we honestly could use some. We haven't really had a chance to talk about, widespread rain really moving in across Central Ohio for quite some time now, so I'm sure a lot of that rain will be welcomed, and for some of us might be one of the last opportunities to maybe get the lawn taken care of before things won't be as needed, considering how those temperatures will be cooling off. But we're actually a degree cooler than what we were at yesterday at this time, but honestly, not this whole story. Most of us are at least a few degrees warmer at this hour compared to yesterday. We're one of the cooler spots on the map in comparison to yesterday. Still pretty mild, 45 degrees compared to that 36 degrees out towards Cambridge, 37 in Logan. You can see 39 down there in Jackson, 50 up in Mount Gilead, and 51 in Bucyrus. So for the most part, again, another cool, crisp start to the day. Mostly clear skies. Want to make sure those kids have the light jacket as they're heading out. We'll continue to see mostly sunny skies today. Highs around 74. Later this afternoon, we'll start to see some upper level clouds sneaking in, and that's usually a sign of things to come and changes in our weather. So talk about the potential for some rain. Again, looking great today to knock out any of those outdoor projects. Tomorrow, a little bit iffy because we are going to be dealing with some showers and storms moving in, mainly during the second half of the day. So if you have some opportunity in the morning to take care of those projects, take care of it later into the evening. Maybe that's the only time you can do it. Then not looking as dry, although it looks like the bulk of the rain won't be arriving until after sunset for us on Wednesday. So we'll sneak out a few hours of dry time and then looking pretty good Thursday and Friday, but it will be much cooler out. And speaking of cool, not as cold for us tonight, thanks to the clouds that will be rolling in. Temperatures falling only into the 50s. We'll stay cloudy throughout the day on Wednesday, but highs managing to stay on the mild side. And with this front coming through, we're also going to be keeping an eye out for the potential for a few stronger storms. That's going to be mainly late into the day on Wednesday, which again in the morning, we'll see mostly cloudy skies, small chance for a few showers early on in the day, and then again picking up into the afternoon where it looks like we'll see a little more coverage, but looking pretty scattered. We'll see better chances for rain later into the day as this cold front works through. That's where we could see the potential for a few stronger storms. But here we are at 8:50, 9 o'clock, still nothing really widespread up until, about midnight. That's going to be the time frame more than likely. We'll see some of these heavier showers and potential storms roll through, and some of which, having some pretty big implications as far as rainfall. Widespread, tenth to a quarter of an inch looking possible, where some locations might even be hinting at closer to 1 to 2 inches in spots where we'll see some of the heavier rain. So again, highlighting Wednesday in particular, where we will see some of those showers and storms, mainly widespread storm potential second half of the evening for us. Other than that, drying out going into Thursday and cooling down with highs back into the upper 50s for Friday.